Is this a quarter stick? Alright, now for SpongeBob. Here's a little gnat.
It's supposed to be a water gun, but it never worked. It was from like Burger King or something. So we kind of justified the reason.
Yeah.
Kind
If we crack it open and...
you have to be careful with things like this because, you know,
chunks of plastic.
Yeah, it will be embedded in your face or wherever. You know?
Yeah.
That's what I think.
Check Bob. Wow. No, he's over here.
What a great squirt gun.
I gotta say.
I saw at least 3 pieces.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
That kind of just split apart at the seams.
Yeah.
There was water in there too, though. Did it